Another day, another special information about the Galaxy Z Fold 8 White Edition, and we almost got a hands-on look of it. Although Z Fold 7 is right now on a massive discount from Samsung listed in this video. Now Samsung is launching two new foldables. This one is special because Samsung is trying out a wider foldable phone compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 7 or even the standard version Galaxy Z Fold 8. Now we almost got a hands-on look of Galaxy Z Fold 8 White Edition. This is the screen protector leaked by Universe, and this look absolutely crazy. I really like the look of a Galaxy Z Fold 8 White Edition, and there are a lot of more things that I want to discuss, but let's see how it compares with the Huawei Pure X Max. Now Galaxy Z Fold 8 and Huawei Pure X Max got different dimensions. Fold 8 White is slightly taller compared to the Pure X Max, while the Pure X Max is slightly wider compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 8 White Edition. Most of the people think the Galaxy Z Fold 8 White Edition aspect ratio is better compared to Huawei Pure X Max, but both the phones are actually in the category of wider foldable phones. Now if we take a look at another image where Universe said, if we add a screen to this tempered glass protector for the Galaxy Z Fold 8 White, its cover screen would basically look like the image on the right. Of course, the real device will not have bezels this narrow, and it will also have a punch hole. But looking at the image, I really like the dimensions on the Galaxy Z Fold 8 White Edition, and I really want to try out this new foldable phone. For sure, I want to try out what is inside on Galaxy Z Fold 8 White Edition compared to Galaxy Z Fold 8. It is one of the best foldable phones if you want to watch landscape videos. But if you're into Instagram, TikTok videos, I think Z Fold 7 is still a best choice, even on a massive discount right now listed in this video. Now these are the screen protector, but we got a lot of more information about the Galaxy Z Fold 8 White Edition. Previously, the battery size and charging speed of Galaxy Z Fold 8 White Edition was out, but it was never confirmed. Not even a single source actually confirmed the battery size of Galaxy Z Fold 8 White Edition or even the Galaxy Z Fold 8, but now the source actually confirmed it. It's a German source who confirmed it that Galaxy Z Fold 8 White Edition will going to get a 4800 mAh battery and a 45-watt fast charger. Now there are a few things updated from the Galaxy Z Fold 7. 4800 mAh battery is quite big compared to the 4400 on the Galaxy Z Fold 7, so we can get a better battery life on the Fold 8 White Edition, and compared to the Fold 8 the standard version, it will going to get a 5000 mAh battery instead of 4800, and the 45-watt fast charging. Fold 7 came with 25-watt fast charging, so these are the couple of differences, but this phone is actually smaller in size and got a different dimensions compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 7. 7.6 inches in the display, and the cover display will be 5.4 inches. I think we can get a really good battery life from the Galaxy Z Fold 8 White Edition, and if Samsung optimize it more, then we can surely see some really good numbers on the Galaxy Z Fold 8 White Edition. On this note, if you're still here, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.